Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add double wave shape in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to add the double wave shape. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide option and create a blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu and click the shape drop down menu. Now we can see here many shape. We go to the stars and banner section, then select the wave shape, and we can see here the double wave or the single wave. Now I am select the double wave, then draw the wave to this page. Now we can see we insert the double wave shape very easily. You can change the fill color or change the outline color. Select the shape and go to the shape format menu and change the fill color. Otherwise you can add more than effect. Select the style option and choose any style. Now we can see we insert double wave shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.